US Mobile and Tello are both budget-friendly prepaid wireless providers, but they differ in key areas. US Mobile operates on multiple networks, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, offering broader coverage, especially in rural areas. Tello exclusively uses T-Mobile's network, providing excellent service in T-Mobile dense regions like the Northeast and West Coast. US Mobile offers customizable plans from $40 to $70 per month, while Tello provides simpler data-centric plans starting at $10 for 2 gigabytes up to $39 for unlimited. US Mobile suits users needing diverse coverage, while Tello prioritizes simplicity and cost-effectiveness. US Mobile's pricing depends on the network chosen, with Verizon plans costing more for better coverage. They offer perks like free ad-supported app trials. Tello uses uniform pricing and includes hotspot capabilities in their higher-tier plans. Experts rate US Mobile highly for its broad coverage options and Tello for its simplicity. US Mobile is best for users who need reliable service in varied areas, while Tello suits cost-conscious individuals in T-Mobile coverage zones who want straightforward data plans.